starting. Okay, we're live. Hello and welcome to my stream again. I am Michael Coates and I am the founder and creator of thesewingguru.com. We are a learning sewing resource on the internet, and it is the best way to learn sewing and tailoring. Now, how would you like to know how to get a 100% free membership? Well, keep watching because I'm going to tell you how to do that, and also how to get a set of sewing e-tips as well. So let's get straight into it. Okay, I'm going to go live on the internet to show you where you need to go to get this free membership. In fact, do you know what? What I'm going to do first of all is show you the free tips that you can go for, and these are 100% free. Now, there is a link in the description of this video, so click that and it will take you to this page here. Let's go back to the internet. This page here. Okay, so when you go on this page, automatically what will happen is a pop-up will come up like this. Just fill in your email, put in your name, and press here, claim your exclusive e-tips book today, and you will be then redirected to that page. It's as simple as that. That's it. And you will then be able to download in PDF files free e-tips and enjoy those. Oh, hello Ollie, how are you? Here he is. This is Ollie. Now, for those of you who don't know, this is my little boy, and he's called Ollie, which I've just said. And he has just started school again. Haven't you, Ollie? Are you enjoying school?
Yeah, I've been for the full day.
He's been for the full day. And have you enjoyed playing with all your friends again, Ollie?
Yeah.
Okay, brilliant. Do you like school, do you?
Yeah.
Good stuff. That's good, because you learn lots of things at school.
Yeah.
That's great. And, you know, because Ollie's back at school again, it just feels like we're sort of getting back to this normality a little bit now. You know, this dreaded COVID, it's been here for about a year, believe it or not. A full year. It's been horrendous. But because Ollie's gone back to school, I'm dropping him off, I'm speaking to people at the school and everything, it just feels like it's normality again. And it's really great. It is good, isn't it, Ollie? Yeah? So what have you been doing at school today?
They have a play area outside.
Okay.
They have the sand pit.
Do they have a sandpit?
Yeah.
Excellent.
They have
Excellent.
cool rainbow rice.
Right.
And then they have instruction area.
Have they?
Yeah.
So you've been outside today in the playground?
Yeah. And then the home corner.
The home corner?
Yeah.
Have you got a sewing machine in the home corner, Ollie?
Sewing machine.
Yeah, actually I think he's going to be a bit young for a sewing machine, isn't he? he might sew his hands together or something. Right, what we need to do, Ollie, today, what we're doing is we're going to tell these lovely people how they can get free e-tips and also free memberships. So they're waiting how to do the free membership. So I'm going to show them quickly how to do the free membership. Now, there is a link in the description of this video, right? Now, what you need to do is click the link, and it will take you to a page where you register. Now, what we want to do is go to the internet here. So we've got here, this is the live Sewing Guru. So as you can see here at the top, free membership. Click that, and once you click that, it takes you to a registration page. So just here, put your full name in, put your email in, where you found us, Facebook, YouTube, wherever. You're watching this live on Facebook now, so you would obviously select Facebook, and then you would click register. And what would happen is you would then have your email and password sent to you. Okay, well, your username and password sent to your email. Now, if you don't find it, always check the dreaded junk folder, because it could be there. It's horrendous. Always check the junk folder. What are you doing? Are you alright? Did you fall down there a bit? So always check that, because if you don't see it in your inbox, the likelihood is it's in your junk folder. So check there. And once you've got your login details, I'm going to go back now, and you will be able to log in. we'll just go to the home page here. Right. So what you do is you click here, log in. Now, the Sewing Guru works on all devices, laptops, mobile phones, everything. And once you click there, you will then enter your username and password and click login, and it will take you to the free membership section. Now, all of this is 100% free, and you have access to quite a few videos. You really do. And the idea of this is to show you what you would get as a full member of the site. And if you wanted to upgrade as a full member, we've got here special offers. So we've got here $19 per month or $99 per year. And this is a large reduction from the normal price. And what this would do is give you access to, as a full member, so you would have access to every single video within the website itself. Because just within the free section, for instance, you could click here, extended trousers, and you get 2 videos, but then you would need to become a full member to unlock all of these other videos as well. But, you know, never mind, you do get the free videos here that you can watch, and you just get, it gives you a good idea of what to expect as a full member. But it is 100% free, so click the link and, oh, what's that?
No.
An apple. Do you like apples? Click the link. Does Mummy know you got an apple? Does she know that?
Yeah.
Okay. So click the link and register for free, and that's it. It's as simple as that. And just enjoy the free membership because it is 100% free. So what do you think everybody needs to do, Ollie? Do you think they need to just have a look at the free membership of the Sewing Guru, and they need to register and put their email in and the name and register for free? Because it is free. It's not a con. It is 100% free, and you can log in. You know, so don't worry, it is not a con. It is 100% free. And the ebooks are exactly the same as well. Are you laughing at you, Ollie? What are you laughing at? He's laughing.
Well, oh, Daddy.
Oh, Ollie, we've got somebody here that said hello. Manjula. Hello, Manjula, how are you doing? Thank you for
Manjula.
Oh, there we go. You had a wave from Ollie as well. So, you know, welcome. And like I say, we hope that you would enjoy a free membership or free tips on the links. Click the links within the description of this video. Now, is there any other people that we've got here as well? Okay. So, whoever's watching, just say hi. Because we're here, and if you need any advice and you're not too sure what to do, just ask us. So, did you wear this to school today as well? Yeah, you've got a little rabbit on the front there. It's very nice. Yeah. Where are you off to? Are you off now, Ollie? Are you going? Right. Well, that's it. I just wanted to come on, and so did Ollie. Little Ollie here as well. Wanted to just come on and tell everybody there that we've got this free membership and free e-tips. So click the links and register and get your freebies today. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again very soon. Bye for now.